gonna be a vlog type video where I'm gonna be showing you guys my new studio that I'm building, because normally I used to shoot here in my office, which, you know, worked fine, but it's just a very small room that's like pretty much big enough for just 2 chairs, and then putting lighting, audio, and everything in here was just kind of ridiculous. So we're gonna be going upstairs where I just had an extra guest room, but I'm just turning that into a studio now because I'm not really using it. But to upgrade it even further, we got a backdrop now that I'm gonna be putting in, so we'll see how that looks. And I'm also gonna take all these lenses and put them upstairs also. Okay, so let's go upstairs, and we can see that how much stuff I have here. You know, I got my Sony FS5 right over here, and then back there we got our giant light that says my main light source. And then I got some monitors down here just to see what the cameras are seeing, because this one connects to the A cam, which is Sony FS5, and this one connects to this camera, which is the Sony A7R III. Okay, and also on the Sony FS5 we got the podcaster. Yeah, it's so hard to focus with this lens, but the teleprompter, so I can actually write a script for these videos and be able to read them as I'm being recorded. And then we got our lighting here, of course. We got our boom mic right here. That's just shooting down here to this chair, and which connects directly into the Sony FS5, which is why I love this camera. And then we got another boom pole here that has a light on it as our backlighting, but now that I'm going to be putting a backdrop, I actually might just turn to a softbox and point it down and have it as a hair light, so we'll see. But this was my backdrop before, which is, you know, just a window, so it's boring. But we're going to be putting a new backdrop and see how it looks. I honestly have no idea how it's going to look. Hopefully it'll look fine, but we'll figure it out. But now I guess let's turn this camera on, and then we'll put the backdrop and see how it looks. Okay, so we're gonna be unboxing the backdrop right here. I don't want to touch it too much because I can tell it's making a lot of noise, so I'm just gonna put it right here, down on my lap. But with this backdrop, what we're gonna do is we're pretty much gonna be replacing the window we got back here, which I don't know how it's gonna go, because originally I was just thinking of just getting like some plywood or just getting drywall, and then just putting a wallpaper over it just to cover the background, which I might still do because I have no idea how well this is gonna work. But this was only like a $20 easy solution, so I wanted to try this first before like going out and buying like wallpaper and stuff. You know, that's gonna be a lot of work to do, so I just want to try this first, see if it works. If it works, then I'm just gonna go with this. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna do a drywall. But so let's get into it right now. Okay, so let's unbox this now. Yeah. This is making a lot of noise, so I might need to like do a lot of posts to like just make sure it doesn't destroy you guys' ears. Let's just open this up real quick, so I don't want to like be gentle with it. Okay. So this comes from China, so hopefully I won't die of a horrible disease. But so have a nice day. Thanks again. We got a nice little note. So they are actually telling me to use either an iron it or use what is it called? Or a hot machine, like an air dryer, to like strain this out, because I'm guessing since it's folded it's gonna have a lot of folds to it. But okay, let's open this up, see how it looks. Okay, and here we go. Look at that, it's wood. Oh my god. Okay, so let's try to put this up somewhat, just see how it looks. But it's gonna be, oh my god. Okay, it pretty much fits perfectly from what I can tell. There we go. We got some wood, guys. Holy shit. Oh man. Honestly, I have no idea how I'm gonna put this up. Here, let me move the chair out of the way. Oh man, I might just use gaffer's tape, honestly, just to see how it looks for now. Well, let's get our trusty gaffer's tape. Okay. There we go. We got a wooden background. Oh my god, that actually looks pretty good on camera. Holy shit. Okay, and I think I can like hide it down here. Wait. I might not even have to cut this. Holy shit. Okay, we gotta masterfully. Okay, guys, we gotta masterfully. This one, oh, it does have a microphone. Okay, we gotta masterfully just hide the bottom part of this, okay? That's what we're gonna do right now. It's like I'm in a wood cabin, guys. In person, it looks terrible, but honestly, like, it looks pretty good on camera. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this amazing studio, guys. Holy shit. Marvel got nothing on this, dude. It's just the bottom part that kind of looks bad. I think if we can just, like... I don't know what to do with the bottom. Honestly, I might just need to, like, tilt the camera up a little bit. Damn. Or we might just have to, like, cut this. Because if we cut it, then this will look kind of perfect. Let's see how that looks, though. Honestly, that doesn't look bad. Honestly, that looks pretty good, dude. Look at that. Hi. I'm in a wood cabin right now. Dude, that looks pretty good. We just need to straighten it out. But after that, it's like perfect. And it's like long enough that like if I have a second camera, it will still look good. Dude, that's pretty perfect. It's just the bottom part. Bottom part, you can see the wrinkles, so we gotta hide those. But once we hide those, then it's gonna look perfect. So, alright, I'm gonna cut the video right now, and I'm gonna like make this look perfect pretty much. And then we're gonna get back into it, so... Alright, so we got a few changes going on. First of all, I'm gonna be turning off this blue light right here, because from what I can tell, it looks better when it's just like this. You know, when I'm sitting down, we get a nice warm background. So that's one of the first changes I'm gonna do. And the second change is that, as you can see, there's a lot of folds on here. I don't know if you can see it really from here, but like it's not perfectly straight. And that's mainly because there's a window behind the backdrop that I have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this cardboard box that I have right here. I'm gonna be putting this behind it so that we can just get like a straight line behind it, so that it'll just look better. The only problem I've been having besides that is that this bottom part is doesn't really stick, so in the video you can see it just coming out a little bit, but I don't know, I'm gonna try to fix that. And I'm also gonna turn this light into a hair light by putting a softbox on it that's right over here on this bed. So let's do that right now, and then we'll get back to, you know, seeing how it is. Okay, I think this is gonna be our setup for now, which we got this beautiful big light coming towards me on the right, and then we got this beautiful hair light on top of me. That's just, you know, helping me separate from the background. So I think this is gonna be our setup for now. I try to like make the background perfect as I can, but there's still a lot of ridges and just there's a lot of flaws with it. But I think it's fine for now. I think since we got a lot of background blur and I'm gonna be in front of it, you're not gonna be able to tell. But you know, when we got some new audiences, you know, Don't tell anyone about our little secret back here. Everyone's gonna think it's real wood. I don't think anyone's gonna know that it's not. Like, I don't think anyone's gonna know this is just a piece of paper. But we'll see, you know, if anyone does call it out, make sure to roast them in the comments saying that it's real. And, but anyways, let me give you guys a tour now of the new background and my whole setup now. Alright, so the new setup is going to be the Sony FS5 on a cam as before. And then we got the Sony a7R III as our B cam. And then we got, I forgot the name of this microphone, but I'll have a link for it in the description of all the microphones we're gonna be looking at. And then we got our giant, I believe this is a 48-inch softbox, which I loved. If you don't know much about softboxes, pretty much the bigger it is, the better, softer light you get, so I love having a big softbox. But then here we got a small softbox, which both of them are on the Godex SL60Ws. And this is just gonna help separate me from the background, just by putting some hair light on top of me. So that's our 2 lights set up. And that's on a, what is a Manfrotto tripod thing that I love, because not a tripod, a light stand, because you can like boom it up also and then put some weights in the back, so that's amazing. And I got 2 monitors down here. This one's for the A cam and this one's for the B cam, so I can actually see myself. But anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. Here, I'll put myself right here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and check out my channel. I have more videos coming up, so, you know, take a look at those. I make videos every single week. Currently, I'm doing like at least 1 video every Wednesday, but I'm trying to do more videos now that I got a studio going. I'm definitely going to be making more videos. Since I'm out of the office, which was, you know, when I was like, even though I love my office, it's just too small of a space to also like set up all the sliding and audio and everything. But now I have a dedicated space for it, so I'm definitely going to be making more videos. But anyways guys, see you guys in the next video and have a good day.